Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. I was on the hunt for a way to elevate my living room's vibe, and guess what I found? This accent chair by Prilinex did the trick. It's not just perfect for the office, living room, or waiting room, it's versatile and can be used anywhere. I am a big fan of this beautiful beige color and the solid wood legs. Putting it together was a breeze thanks to the clear instructions. I really love how spacious it is as well and comfortable thanks to the memory foam and the soft skin friendly fabric. The backrest is ideal for watching movies, working, reading, or even playing games. My living room now really feels like a cozy and inviting space. I'm so glad I found this chair. It's the perfect addition to my furniture. Prilinex has a variety of beautiful furniture that differ in color and sizes. I highly recommend you to check it out, and that's my point of view.